Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Happy January 5th. I want to start saying the date in the intro so when I watch my old videos, I know when this was. This is like a random time for me to start vlogging. It's 4 p.m. in the afternoon and it's a Friday. I don't have much going on except I am literally just gonna start cleaning a little bit. This evening, I am going to play some rec volleyball. I had 2 games yesterday for my team and I'm just filling in for a friend. So that's like the best thing that could happen to me. I always say yes to playing volleyball if I can do it. So if you can't tell, I also have like some little pimple patches here too. My skin is just not cooperating with me lately, so that's amazing. I also painted my own nails here. How cute are they? Instead of going to the salon. And I kind of had a nasty accident. I spilt my candle everywhere. So luckily it was on the counter, not on like carpet or something, but I need to somehow scrape this up without scratching my countertop. So this is Chip's favorite sleeping spot, or was. He hasn't slept there in a while, but look at how cute he is. We took down my Christmas tree, but I had to leave the bubble light tree up. It's just so plain in this house without it. I have gotten a few PR packages this week and I want to wait and do like a TikTok unboxing. I don't know, they're kind of popular and fun to watch on TikTok, but it's been so hard not to open them because obviously you get a gift and you want to open it. But I have a philosophy package, some really cute eyewear from 5th and 9th. I'm so excited. Honestly, I might just like do all of this tomorrow. This is Tower 28 Beauty. I've heard really good things. This is just called Plump It. Yeah, the brand Plump It. And one of my favorite brands, Outcast Clothing. Oh my gosh. It's so fun being able to get like items from brands that you have personally purchased so much from. It is just such an amazing opportunity. I'm so excited. But I think I'm gonna do like, maybe I'll do a haul in this video too. Maybe I'll like film it for TikTok and then also share on here, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. That seems like a good thing to do tomorrow. I am so excited for all those. I cannot wait to open them. Also random and kind of TMI, but I had like this little bump. I've been getting lots of bumps, but I had this little bump underneath my eye and it felt like almost like a little blackhead or like a zit was in it or something. And I finally popped it today after like honestly a month because I wasn't sure what it was, so I just wanted to leave it. Like you're not supposed to pop zits and stuff, but I'm like, okay, it's about damn time this thing like comes out. So I did, and I'm glad I did because it did come out. And then I also just put like a little pimple patch on earlier today and it got a little bit of gunk out of it as well. So things are looking up. And I also have a little patch right here I'm gonna leave on honestly until I go to volleyball, which is at like 9 o'clock. We don't play till 9:30, so it's gonna be a late night. It was a little bit of a late night yesterday as well. Like I said, I had 2 games, one at 6:30, one at 7:30, and then I had volleyball practice I had to go coach at 8:30, so it was a little bit of running around, but well worth it when I get to do all that fun stuff. And then tomorrow, Saturday is like my chill day for the weekend. I don't have anything planned. I think obviously Brian and I are gonna hang out. That's our thing, which I always look forward to. I feel like we don't really get a whole lot of time together, like personal time together. I always look forward to the weekends. And then Sunday, I have my first volleyball tournament and it's like an hour and a half away, so that's not that fun, but hopefully it goes well. I know it will go well. Hi guys, long time no see. I had a very long day yesterday. It's currently Monday. I had a lot to do on Sunday. I left my house at like 5:30 a.m. and didn't get home till like 8:39, so it was a long day. I had a volleyball tournament, my first volleyball tournament of the season. I joined an indoor volleyball league that happens on Sundays, and We have 2 games at 6:30 and 7:30. So I buzzed from my tournament, which was an hour and a half away, right to volleyball, got there right at 6:30 and then played. And then again, I got home at 8:30. So it's been a long day. And although it was a long day yesterday, I still woke up at like 9. So I slept in a little bit, which was great. And now I'm gonna do a little unboxing on my TikTok, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail last week in PR. So Tower 28 sent me a bunch of goodies. Oh, this is their lip jelly. How fun does this look? That is so cute. I love their packaging too. I love this like acrylic. This is a mascara, a liner. This is a multi-liner, a really pretty lip liner. This is like a really nice color. It's a very soft blush. This is like a putty blush, another very muted, pretty color. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, so this is like a really pretty bronzer. Gorgeous color. So next up I have the brand Plump It. I had never heard of them until I found them on TikTok. So they sent me over a few plumping lip glosses. So this is the hyaluronic lip plumper. Oh, look at that, matte black. Oh, there's a warning on this one. This will tingle. Oh my gosh. And then this is the volumizing lip plumper. Next up, 5th and 9th sent me some sunglasses. They also sent me a very nice personal card. We hope you love our sunnies. Can't wait to see you styled out. 5th and 9th, I believe you can obviously get these online or in store at Nordstrom's. How stunning. I love a good aviator. This isn't a true aviator, but it's just like a little, it's a style of them. And I love, again, clear packaging. These ones are a little out of my comfort zone, but I definitely love like the little torty shell here. Stunning. And also they feel very luxurious, like just a very thick sunglass. Even a little stiff, which I don't mind at all. I just feel like that's some better quality and obviously not cheap. Very nice. Next up, Philosophy was kind enough to send me a Cleanse, Bounce, and Glow set. I believe you can find them at Ulta as well. I have tried Philosophy a lot and I definitely love the brand. So it's very exciting that they actually sent me stuff. And then I have a big haul coming, you guys. Outcast Clothing sent me a bunch of stuff, and then also Pepper Mayo. Pepper Mayo sent me about 4 things, and Outcast Clothing sent me 3 full sets. So I am so excited for this upcoming try on. You guys should definitely go follow me on Instagram too, because I'll be posting all these outfits on there. Good morning, you guys. It is Tuesday and I'm in the process of filming. I finally did my makeup and I look half decent. I have my little setup behind me. I like to film my reels on my iPhone. I feel like it's just honestly better quality than a camera. And then I just have a little ring light and I'm shooting up against like this blank white wall. I have on the prettiest dress, very flattering, very revealing dress from Pepper Mayo. I'll show you guys, but go follow me on Instagram and you'll get a much better view. So this is the dress. How stunning. It fits amazing. Like it just sits on me, which is exactly what I want. And especially where this dress is, like right on my very low hips right here. I believe I want to say an XL because I wasn't sure how it would fit. I'm typically like a 10 or 12 in dresses. And so like an XL is like a 12 or 14, but it fits amazing. So the straps are adjustable as well on the back. And then this is the back. Very low cut, and I love how it just kind of silhouettes. So it has like these 2 layers to it, but it looks like it's like hugging your body, but really it's not. It's very comfortable and it feels like I have nothing on because it's so loose and like just fits perfectly. But how stunning is that? I also took a few pictures in another top, just that little rosebud top right there. And then I didn't film my entire makeup, but Tower 28, like I showed you guys, sent me some lip product. So I just did a little reel with that. I'll have to edit that later today. This dress is so pretty. So I got a pretty good reel for it, or I got some good clips I can edit into like a 5-second reel. That's honestly what's been doing really good on my channel. I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna keep filming. I think I'm gonna film right here in front of my curtain and then do some Outcast Clothing looks. But first I actually want an energy drink. 3D sent over a bunch of energy drinks and I am not an orange gal, like anything that has to do with an orange flavor, but this one is actually really good. It's Sunburst. I've never tried it before until they sent me it. Oh, Okay, next outfit. This is from Outcast Clothing. This is just a set. The top is a medium. It's great. Bottoms are an XL. Again, I'm just never sure how bottoms are gonna fit me, and I don't really know what kind of fabric it is, so I just play it safe and go with an XL. And I get a nice relaxed fit, nothing too tight at the seams especially. So again, very flattering, very cute.